Hello friends, in this video I would like to show you a pre-production board feature. Here you can see a pre-production board panel on the right, and you can enable this panel by choosing Windows Pre-production Board menu item. So currently it is very simple. It shows list of available scenes in current project. You can click on any shot or scene to jump from one to another, and also you can use this button to create new scenes like this, and you can quickly sketch something. Then save and add next scene and sketch next shot for your animation. Then save again and next. So this is it. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.